ask you. So then you said, yes, Anirudh is there. You send it over to me. And I have a good news, which is that I have already spoken to the person that I talked to you about, all of you about, that she's going to be helping with the resume. She said yes. So that means she's going to help us. So Anirudh, when you send me yours, I'll send it over to her. She'll work her magic. She's a professional in that respect. So she'll do her magic and then she'll create a nice profile. And what from there we will do is we'll put all these details in LinkedIn. But before we do it in LinkedIn, I want to ask you both one thing. Do you have your own email IDs or you don't? You know what an email ID is?
बताइए आप लोग.
Yes. So can you ask your parents to
मेल
send me
भेजते
your,
हैं
you have Saibul?
जिससे मेल भेजते हैं मैम.
Yes, good job. जिससे मेल भेजते हैं. So do this and Saibul, talk in English now. Try.
Ma'am.
ठीक
Okay
है?
ma'am, okay.
Good morning.
Hello ma'am.
Yeah.
I am Anirudh mother here.
Hello.
He has his own ID.
Okay.
Ma'am, he has his own ID and I mentioned in his resume also.
Awesome.
Phone number and ID.
Perfect. If he has his ID, then it will be easier to create his LinkedIn account. Okay. What I will do is I'll create email account for LinkedIn account for both of them. For Anirudh, it will be easier because he has the email ID and he's already sent the resume as well, right? So once we have a nice fancy LinkedIn profile, we will also show that he's open to work. And my plan is that I have a lot of network on my LinkedIn, right? So I'm going to showcase everyone's profile as and when it's ready. This way it will capture more attraction, right? People will look at it. Like last time I had posted something and 6,000 people saw it, right? So usse visibility badegi. It will help them. And knock on the wood, I'm sure we will be able to find something good for them that will work for them, right? So yeah,
can you share also your email ID, ma'am? Can you share your email ID on the screen also?
Yes, sure. I'll do that in the chat. Yeah. Okay. But other thing, I mean, we will work on this in parallel, but we do want to improve our communication skills. You know what communication skills is? Dheere, dheere, how are we going to interact with people, right? We'll have to communicate. We'll have to use words. How do we express ourselves? That is very important. Anything that we do, right? So be open about it. It's okay. Samne wala jo hai is another human being, right? Why do we need to be scared of them?
Okay.
Be confident, okay? So don't worry about anything else in this world. Just be confident, speak your mind, don't be disrespectful, and nobody is in this world disrespectful, right? If you're respectful to them. Okay. Let's see, let's do this. Now I'm going to share my screen. No, I'm still disabled here. ID mera wo ho nahi raha. Ragi, can you please allow me to share my screen?
Yeah, ma'am, I'll make it.
Perfect. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. So Anirudh, next time tak I'll
screen, ma'am.
Okay. And Anirudh, next time tak I'll have your resume ready then, okay? Am I sharing now? The window outside is not showing. Yeah. Let me do it again. Sometimes this doesn't show. It is desktop too. Yep. Okay, it shows. All right. So same thing, right? For when we want to start and when we want to end, we want to give 15 minutes for a break. I have 5 new words. Who did practice last time's words? Does anybody remember at least one word that we talked about last time? At least one word. Cheating allowed nahi hai. No cheating. Annoy. Good job. मुझे भी annoy याद था.
Attention.
Good. आप खुद बोलो. आपकी मम्मी या आपके पापा को क्यों बोलना पड़ रहा है? आप खुद बोलो. सोचो. एक ही वर्ड बोलना है, ज्यादा बोलना ही नहीं है. नोटबुक से देख के बोलो, जैसे देख के बोलना है.
Hello.
Whatever.
How? Calm.
Calm. Good. Okay. I will ask you one word and you I'll say one I'll say one word and you have to tell me the meaning. Okay?
Meaning बताओ अपने आप से।
मैं बताऊंगी मैं word बताऊंगी, you will tell me the meaning. Calm. Calm, what does it mean? हिंदी में बता दो.
बोलो शांत।
शांति।
शांत. Good job. और annoy का कौन बताएगा? साइबल, your turn.
परेशान।
परेशान. ठीक है. तो नेक्स्ट टाइम आप पढ़ के आओगे. हाँ.
तुमको सब आता है। काम कितने दिन से कर रहे हो आप? मैडम कहेगी अपने बाप से बताओ, फिर तो कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा। वहां से म्यूट करो, वहां से म्यूट करो, वहां से मैम।
Okay, चलो आज के 5 words सीखे. New words, they are also very easy ones and I'm sure that you have heard at least 1 or 2 out of this. Okay, curious. Curious is, have you seen Curious George movie or read any Curious George book? No? There's a monkey. We'll read that story also someday. Curious George. So curious क्या होता है? Eager to know or learn something. And हिंदी में क्या होता है? जिज्ञासा. Right? Somebody who wants to learn something, who's eager to understand things.
जानने की इच्छा।
जानने की इच्छा. Very good. Okay. Next one. Curve. Curve क्या होता है? एक ऐसी लाइन होती है जो स्ट्रेट लाइन से डेविएट करती है. And again, going back to, I'm going through a list of how we should start vocabulary. So I'm going through an official school list. That's why we are going through these words as well, even though we don't use a lot. Maybe in cricket. I remember, Anirudh, you said you like cricket, playing cricket, right? Was it you or it was Ashish? I might have mixed you both.
Yes.
But one, it was not you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay.
Yeah.
तो वो क्रिकेट में बोलते हैं ना वो कर्व बॉल डालना.
Yes.
Curve, right? That's the curve. It's not a straight line, it's angular. और उसको हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? घुमाव. Okay? Decide. हम अपनी लाइफ में कितने डिसीजंस लेते हैं? आपको मम्मी या पापा पूछते हैं कि आज क्या खाना है? What do you want to eat today? What do you feel like eating today? पूछते हैं? जब हम बताते हैं ना, I feel like eating rajma chawal, I feel like eating bhindi, right? What are those? Those are decisions, right? हम लोग decide कर रहे हैं कि हमें क्या चाहिए. That means making a choice out of different options. और हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? तय करना. करते हो ना? Decisions कितने लेते हो real life में? Directions. किसको पता है right क्या है, left क्या है? पता है right और left क्या है?
साइकिल कैमरा ऑन करिए.
राइट जिस हाथ से आप खाते हो, मोस्टली लोग जिस हाथ से खाते हैं, बिकॉज सम पीपल आर लेफ्टी आल्सो, राइट?
जिस हाथ से खाते हैं।
हाँ, जिस हाथ से खाते हैं. तो हम इसको, एक तो वो हो गया डायरेक्शन, राइट? और दूसरा क्या हो गया? साउथ, नॉर्थ, ईस्ट, वेस्ट होता है ना, तो वो भी होता है डायरेक्शन, जिसको हम हिंदी में कहते हैं दिशा. ओके. डिस्कवर मतलब टू फाइंड समथिंग. आपने कभी डिस्कवरी चैनल देखा है? एक शो है, मतलब एक चैनल है डिस्कवरी. उसमें अलग अलग तरीके के शोज आते हैं, एनिमल्स आते हैं, ह्यूमन बॉडी के बारे में बताते हैं. देयर इज अ लॉट दैट दे टेल. तो उसको क्या कहते हैं? डिस्कवर का मतलब क्या होता है वैसे? टू फाइंड समथिंग, खोज करना, ढूंढना, राइट? तो आज हमने कौन से 5 वर्ड सीखे? क्यूरियस, कर्व, डिसाइड, डायरेक्शंस एंड डिस्कवर. ठीक है? इसको पढ़ो, इसको अपनी try to use it in your day-to-day life. For example, you can say, oh, I'm curious to know what Mama has made for dinner today, right? I'm curious how the weather is going to be tomorrow. Try using these words. अगर इंग्लिश में पूरा सेंटेंस नहीं बोलना तो हिंदी में बोलो. ठीक है? Do you think you can do it?
I will speak.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
I will speak in mother.
Wow, look at that, Anirudh. That makes me so happy. जैसे आप बोल रहे हो कितना अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे सुन के. Tell me something. अभी हम words तो कर रहे थे. Say one sentence, or how about this? I ask you both a question before jumping into the next thing. I ask you both a question. Ki, what is your favorite food? Anirudh, you go first. We'll go alphabetically.
Paneer. Paneer.
Paneer. Oh, wow. That's favorite.
Yeah.
Nice. Say it in English.
I like paneer.
Very good. And how about you,
Eat
Saibal?
Seafood.
Huh? Say it again.
My mother is tasty food.
Your mother makes tasty food.
Yes.
I have to come someday. I have to come there and try.
Yeah.
Would you let me try? No, मम्मी को नहीं देखना है, खुद बताना है. Decision. Decide yourself. Remember, decide. हमारा word.
Mm.
बोलो फिर.
Please repeat question.
Repeat question.
Please repeat
I
question.
think
Please repeat
he,
question.
yeah.
Please repeat question. I heard that. Okay, no, what I'm saying is, can I come to your house to try your mama's food? You said she makes tasty food.
Welcome.
Oh, okay. Cool. When I come to India, I will pakka se meet you. You know what pakka means?
Yeah.
For sure.
Welcome.
Okay. Perfect. Saibal, what about you? What do you like? What is your favorite food?
Peas curry and sweet.
Peas curry?
Peas.
Oh, matar.
Mutton. Machli.
Machli, fish curry. Oh, sorry, fish curry. And what else?
And sweet.
Sweet. What kind of sweet?
Mithai.
कौन सी मिठाई?
Rasgulla. Kala jamun.
Rasgulla. Oh, wow. I have gulab jamun at home and I feel like eating it now. All right. Good discussion. Now, let's see. I wanted to show you. Remember I talked about it last time that I'll show you my LinkedIn profile. We'll talk about what is there, how do we do it. So I'm going to do that. And the aim is to build something like that for all of you. I know there are not many students today. Don't look at my worksheet. This is too complicated. I hate it. Okay, so this is my profile. What do we have is title, or sorry, name, title, where do I live? Am I open to work? This is what I was talking about. I have kept it hidden that I'm open to work. That means not everybody can see it. But since you would be fine, right? So we would show that, yes, you are open to work to everyone. Okay, this shows to me that how many people viewed my profile, how many posts people viewed by, I had posted, remember I told you I had posted a view, posted a story, and that has around these many views. That means the power of platform is that it can reach out to so many people, right? And so many people search for me. I can manage my network. I can look at the salary, how many people are getting, what about myself, right? This is what that I have done, what I am capable of, what do I do? Some of my, these are the technical skills also, and the other skills that I was talking about, right? These ones. And then email ID, that's the reason I was talking to you about it, because when even in order to build the LinkedIn profile, you need an email ID and you have to put it here as well. It helps if you have done any certifications, like for you guys, right? We will show your qualification and also the certification that you mentioned, data entry that you're doing. So we will show that. Then whatever activity, if you have done, you've reached out to somebody, it will show here. This will be your experience, where all you've worked. Your education is going to be here, some certifications. And this is where we need to build, that we will ask other people that you've worked with or studied with, that, give endorsements, because that will show that, yes, when you're saying that you are good at something, people are also saying, endorsing you for it. That endorsement means that they are saying, yes, I know this skill set this person has. This way it will be even more easier to stand in the market and then make yourself stand out, basically, right? You can ask for recommendations, People will give recommendations. Then you can put your courses, projects, any awards, languages, interests. So this is how LinkedIn looks like, and this is where we want to be. At least be able to add 1 or 2 bullet in each of these sections, right? And that's the reason I was asking you, start with that and we'll build upon it. Again, remember our goal is, what is our goal? By when do we want our resume to be completed? Who will take that? Nobody? End of July, right? Okay, we said 3 months. So we are in May, June, and then July. I think everybody's on mute, but that's okay. So this is how our LinkedIn profile is going to be. Any questions, anybody? नहीं तो आज हम story catch up कर सकते हैं. Last time we didn't finish our story. Okay. Let's talk about our story. Where is it? Where are you? Where are you? Who will tell me where we were with the story? Or who will tell me what is happening here at least? Who's going to read it? Unmute yourself, and who's going to read it? Acha, ek kaam karte hain. Anirudh, you read first 2 lines. Saibul, you read these.
यहाँ से पढ़, यहाँ से
ये
पढ़।
क्या है? बोलो.
बोलो, mark,
Mark
then
that
write the
tie the rope tree
Good.
out,
of
found
the hold the under the tree
trunk.
trunk.
Okay. So you know what that means? Okay. तो भी स्टोरी का अब मैं, गुड जॉब अनिरुद्ध, पहले तो वेरी गुड जॉब. You did it, and that's what we want to do. We want to continue building upon that skill where we can read, we can speak, we understand, right? I know that you all understand English. That's not a problem at all. Where we want to build confidence is being able to talk, correct? Okay. Where we were in the story. In this story, remember the girl whose name is Sally? She fell into the pit. Now, Mark and James, actually, Mark brought his dad, and Mark and James now are going to help her. Actually, Daddy is going to help her get out of the pit. So let's see what the story is. Or actually, not pit, they're calling it a cave. Cave is even a bigger word. Cave क्या होता है? गुफा, right? Pit क्या होता है? खड्डा, है ना? किसी ने देखा है रोड पे खड्डा देखा है किसी ने? Have you seen a bump on the road?
बताइए.
देखा होगा ना? तो ये वो नहीं है, मैंने गलत वर्ड यूज किया था, है ना? ये तो केव है. केव तो गुफा होती है, which is a bigger thing. आप उसके अंदर जा सकते हो. Okay, let's read the story. Mark's dad tied the rope to the tree, found the hole under the tree trunk. Oh, उनको तो एक होल मिल गया tree trunk में. उससे पता क्या हुआ? He was able to get the support and then go down. Let's see. He wiggled a bit and lowered himself into the cave. So now he's going inside the cave where Sally is. Sally could see him coming down the rope and stopped crying. You know why she stopped crying? Because she saw her daddy. Now she has that comfort that my daddy is here. Not only was he there, but the cave became brighter from the beam of his flashlight as it danced across the cave's floor and walls. So what happened? Looks like Sally is really happy. And they say she's happy because of 2 reasons. Who will tell me the 2 reasons? Okay, let's do this. Anirudh, you tell me one reason, and Saibul, you tell me the other reason.
She saw
her father.
her father.
Right, good job. Saibul, second reason. Why is she happy? Because she saw let's mute the other one.
Red color.
आप एक.
Okay,
हाँ.
good. ओह, मुझे तो इतना डर लग रहा था उस साउंड से. किसी और को लग रहा था? ओह, मेरे कान थक गए. Okay. So not only was he there, but the cave became brighter from the beam. What does that mean, brighter? इतनी सारी light हो गई वहां पे, तो उसको डर नहीं लग रहा था. और light कैसे हो गई? Because of the flashlight. You know flashlight किसी ने देखी है? Flashlight का दूसरा word क्या होता है? What is another word for flashlight? Torch. Torch देखी है आपने? देखी होगी ना?
Yeah, Torch.
Torch तो
Yes.
देखी होगी. Good, good. Not only was he there, but the cave became brighter from the beam of his flashlight as it danced across the cave's floor and walls. Now, as he reached the floor of the cave, he shone the light on Sally and gave her a big hug. तो उसने क्या किया? उसने light दिखाई Sally पे and then gave her a big hug. He said, "Don't be frightened. डरो मत." Right? Then he also said, "I will get you out of here in no time." मतलब क्या इस बात का? I'll get you out of here in no time. Means मैं तुम्हें जल्दी से बाहर निकाल दूंगा. Then he shone the light around and saw that she had fallen into a small cave. And very close to her in the middle of the cave was something wrapped in layers of old blankets. Oh, interesting. A cave में look लग रहा है. Remember? Hey, Ashish, welcome. You made it.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I'm glad you could make it. Okay, we were going through the story. Enjoy the story now, okay? And you have to tell me a few things here and there when I'll ask you. Everybody be attentive. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि हाँ थोड़ा और सो लेते हैं. That's not going to work here, okay? All right. Don't be frightened, he said. I'll have you out of here in no time. Then he shone the light around and saw that he had fallen. Oh, ये हम पढ़ चुके थे वैसे, but मैं फिर से पढ़ रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं खुद भूल गई थी कि हम पढ़ चुके हैं. He said, "I'll have you out of here in no time." Then he showed the light around and saw that she had fallen into a small cave. So Sally has fallen into a small cave, and next to her in the middle of the cave, there is something which is wrapped up in old blanket, layers of old blanket. So now let's see what that thing is. Now, Mark, James, there's something down here. I'm going to tie it to the rope and I want you to pull it out. Okay, they replied. The boys pulled out the object, untied it, and let the loose end of the rope fall back into the cave. So what happened? What is happening here? You know what is happening? They saw something that there was there inside the cave, which was wrapped. Now they told that we are going to tie this thing with the rope. You pull it up because remember, Mark and James, they're outside, right? On the ground. They are not inside the cave. So they are pulling it and they have untied it. अब untie करने के बाद, they've let the loose end of the rope back inside. लेकिन उसके बाद क्या होता है? Let's see. The cave wasn't deep and Mark's dad boosted Sally over his head so she could crawl out. तो उन्होंने उसको ऐसे ऊपर से jump bump दिया कि where she could easily crawl out because the cave was a small cave, not as big as we thought. He then grabbed the rope and with a little jump was able to grab the opening and pull himself out. So now everybody is outside. He was also able to come out of the cave, which was a small cave, and he just had to give one jump and he's out. Interesting. Now, when are they going to talk about what happens to the other one? Let's see. Now, they are saying, let's go back to my house for a cup of hot tea. I'll call your parents so they aren't worried and we'll see what treasure Sally found, he said. Now, what their plan is, okay, Ashish, you tell me what the plan is. I read through this one. What are they going to do now from there? And you have to tell me in English. Try. Even if it's 3 words, try. Ashish? नहीं पता? मैं बताऊं? बोलो नहीं पता या पता है? At least we'll start with that. Do you know? Yes or no? No? Okay. That's good. See, communication is so important. That's okay. I'll tell you again. So now they are saying, वो कह रहे हैं कि let's go back to my house चाय पीते हैं वहां जाके, एंड आई विल कॉल योर पेरेंट्स. किसको चाय अच्छी लगती है बाय द वे? कोई पीता है यहाँ पे चाय?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. There
Yes,
was a
ma'am.
time. Good. आशीष आप भी? अनिरुद्ध ने भी थम्स अप दिखा दिया, साइबिल ने भी यस बोल दिया. आशीष थम्स अप.
Ginger tea.
Ginger tea. Oh, very good. I also like ginger tea, masala tea. Now I feel like having tea. Anyways, so they're going for a hot cup of tea. They're going to call their parents so that they are not worried, and they're going to see what treasure is inside many layers of the blanket. Oh God. Let's see. When they got to Mark's house, they sipped their tea. I'm sipping my water, and began unwrapping the treasure. So what's happening? They are unlocking the treasure, which was something inside the blanket. They carefully peeled off layers of old blankets and cloth to reveal a wooden box. Oh, interesting. You know, for some reason, all this time I was thinking that it's going to be a living thing, but looks like it was a wooden box. Now they slowly opened it and stared in amazement. Jewels! Wow! Oh my! Ah, beautiful. Sally said in disbelief. I don't believe what I'm seeing. The boys and Mark's father just stared. Inside the box were jewels of every color you can imagine. There were diamonds, rubies, sapphires, emeralds of all shapes and sizes. Intermixed, they could see several gold coins and strands of pearls. We are rich, the boy screamed. Not quite, interrupted Mark's father. Someone could have lost this, and I don't think you should plan on spending any of it until we found a little more. Huh? What are they saying? They are saying that somebody could have lost it. I think that's a noble thing to think, right? That it could be somebody's. Then why would you take that? Besides, Sally found it. I'll share it, Sally said happily. Huh? She's thinking of distributing it to people? That's nice, Sally, replied Mark's dad. But the right thing to do is contact the authorities. Yes, if you find something, right, which does not belong to you, you don't know who it belongs to, where do you go? You go to police, right? You go to the authorities to say that, you know, I have found this treasure or I found this XYZ. XYZ is, I don't want to put a name, that's why I'm saying XYZ, right? So what do? You go to the authorities, you tell them. So that's what he's saying. Dad is saying, no, we have to do this. I wish we could finish it, but I don't think we would be able to today, the whole story. Let's see. The next day, the four of them and Sally's mother drove to the police station, explained what had happened, and gave the treasure to the police to hold while they conducted their investigation. They left the police station sadly, and even the double-dip ice cream cones. Ha ha ha. They did not get to eat the ice cream, looks like. Mark's father bought for them. Oh no, looks like they left the police station sadly, and even the double-dip ice creams. Oh, this is the sentence, okay? They're saying Mark's father brought them the ice cream, but that also did not make them happy. They were so sad to give them the box. Now they drove back in silence. That means they were just quiet. They didn't want to talk. They were upset. Oh, look, what's happening here? Now, several weeks passed with no word from the police. Then one evening, Mark's father called James, Sally, and their parents. The police just called, and I think you should come over here right now, he said. I'm afraid there is bad news about the treasure. तो अब क्या हुआ? Looks like कि पुलिस ने फोन किया.
साइबल वीडियो ऑन करिए अपना. वीडियो ऑफ करके स्टोरी नहीं सुनेंगे ना.
मैं अगर ऑफ कर दूंगी मेरे एक्सप्रेशन पता चलेंगे आपको? नहीं पता चलेंगे ना? So it's a good idea.
Yeah, साइबल
सो गया है ना. कौन गैस करेगा साइबल क्या कर रहा है? साइबल सो चुका है.
Okay.
Okay. Okie dokie.
साइबिल कहीं गया था.
साहिल कहीं गया था, साहिल आ गया. He's back. Okay, now चलो वापस स्टोरी, back to the story. हाँ, so several weeks passed, हम ये पढ़ चुके हैं. अब उन्होंने क्या किया है, मार्क्स फादर ने जेम्स, सैली एंड देयर पेरेंट्स सबको बुला लिया है. The police, because the police had just called and they're saying that there is a bad news, right, about the treasure. Now the police are on their way and they will explain everything when you get here. So let's see what they say. Sally and James didn't say much during the ride to Mark's house. Okay, Sally thought that since it was bad news, the treasure belonged to someone else, even though they probably lost it. Right? So looks like they're thinking somebody who lost it has claimed it, and they are coming to, and they are getting it, right? Because they're claiming that it's theirs. Let's see what happens. Whatever happened to finders keepers, she mumbled. Kids generally play this game, right? That if you found it, it's yours. But that doesn't work like that. Now, what did you say, Sally? Her mother asked. Oh, nothing, Sally replied. Yeah, I can totally see my daughter saying that and doing that. But, she would be the first one to say, return it to the person whom it belongs to. And that's the right thing to do. So Sally replied that, oh, nothing. Then she let out a long, sad sigh that echoed through the car. So she's kind of disappointed and thinking what's going to happen. Now let's see what happens. When they arrived at Mark's house, the police were there with the treasure box. As Sally entered, the captain introduced himself and said, Sally, this is yours. Your parents need to sign some papers, but the box and its contents are yours. ये क्या हो गया? ये तो बिल्कुल भी expected नहीं था story में. ये box तो Sally को मिल गया. How? Let's see how. Sally, Mark, and James shrieked with joy, but they're excited now, and danced around the room. Then Sally said, what is the bad news? The captain smiled and said, the treasure is worth more money than you can imagine, and with your newfound wealth comes with great responsibility. Sally didn't understand. Ab wo keh raha hai ki bhaiya, this treasure box is mine. That what is this responsibility about? Sally didn't quite understand what the captain was talking about. And right now, it really didn't matter because she was excited to get the box. Mark asked, are you going to share? Of course, Sally said. If you and James didn't help me, I might still be there. Several days later, Sally asked everyone over to her house. अब वो सबको घर पे बुला रही है. क्यों बुला रही है? Let's see. I've decided what to do with the money from the treasure after it is sold, she said. So looks like she's going to sell the treasure, and the money that comes from it, she's going to distribute it. And let's see how she's doing her math and what the calculation looks like. I'm giving 1/6 to our mom and dad, 1/6 to Mark's mom and dad, 1/6 to Mark, James, and 1/6 to me. So there is an extra 1/6. Mark proudly stated. He loved math and was right on top of Sally's calculations. Okay, so looks like they've calculated. No, there's not, Sally said. Is it? James said. It's not. Sally said in an angered voice, no, it's not. इसमें और 1/6 extra नहीं है. Just as Mark was going to say, they are at it again. Oh, they're fighting again. Remember start of the story? They used to fight together. Looks like they're doing it again. Who likes to fight? I don't like to fight. But my daughter says I always fight. Can you believe that? Anyways, let's get on with the story. I'm giving it to the local charity so it can be given to those less fortunate and in need. Oh, that's such a good thought. So she's saying that she wants to distribute it. Her mother and father said it was a caring and responsible thing to do. They were very proud of her and knew that she understood what the captain meant when he had returned the treasure over to her just days before. You know what they said? It comes with a lot of responsibilities, and now she was being responsible. हमारी story खत्म होती है. That ends our story. Next time we'll start another story, and gradually, okay, धीरे धीरे, you all have to read at least 2 or 3 sentences.
मैडम,
हाँ जी,
हिस्ट्री भेज दीजिएगा.
ये story भेज दूँ?
मैम,
बोलो।
स्टोरी भेज दीजिएगा।
ओके
WhatsApp।
व्हाट्सएप पे, हाँ, आई थिंक आई शुड बी एबल टू सेंड इट। अदरवाइज रिमेम्बर एवरीबडी सेंड मी योर ईमेल आईडीज। मेरा ईमेल आईडी मैंने अभी यहाँ पे भी भेजा है, मैसेज पे भी भेजा है। सेंड मी योर ईमेल आईडी। अब मैं तभी बात करूंगी आपसे जब मेरे को आप ईमेल भेजोगे। ओके
ओके ओके ओके ओके।
दैट इज अ फेयर आस्क, राइट?
हेलो हेलो मैम।
यस यस।
हाँ मैम, sorry I could not write your mail ID. Can you
No
just
worries.
show me
Yes,
again,
yes, no.
because
Sure.
I didn't write.
Okay, give me 1 second. What I'll do is I'll open a new file and show it to everyone. I'll flash it here for some time. Please try to take notes, huh? Here, I'm going to make it big. Oh, ज़्यादा big हो गया ना? इतना ठीक है। ठीक है? Everybody?
अब आप सभी लिख लीजिए।
मुझे ईमेल चाहिए, ओके? हाँ, गुड। स्क्रीनशॉट भी ले सकते हो, ईमेल लिख लो पेपर पे। And I will send today's words also. Go through the words. सोचो लास्ट टाइम 5 करे, आज 5 करे, नेक्स्ट टाइम 5 करोगे, 1 मंथ में आपको 20 वर्ड्स आ रहे होंगे। Isn't that amazing?
Yes.
है ना? So there you go. उसको पढ़ते रहो। और मैं जब ये बुक भेजूंगी ना, try to read it to yourself. I mean, read it yourself. I will email it to you.
Yes.
खुद से बैठ के रीड करो। नाउ यू नो द स्टोरी, नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड। इससे आपकी रीडिंग और इम्प्रूव होगी। जितना बुक्स पढ़ते हैं ना, हमारी इंग्लिश और रीडिंग उससे इम्प्रूव होती है। सो होमवर्क में एक तो आपने मुझे ये भेजना है, क्या रेज्यूमे याद है? वो 3 चीजें मैंने मांगी थी, स्क्रीनशॉट मैंने भेजा हुआ है, राइट? आई हैव सेंट इट टू एवरीवन। सो सेंड मी दोस 3 top 3 थिंग्स सो दैट वी कैन वर्क ऑन द रेज्यूमे। You will have your words, recap karo jab time mile, use them in your day-to-day life, right? And third thing is read as much as possible. I'll send you the story, but otherwise also read.
And ma'am, one more thing, they made this some sentences for the vocabulary.
Yeah. Do you want me to add sentences also next time?
No, not you. Students are made that sentences.
Oh, they have?
No, right now they don't have.
Oh, you're asking me that they should?
Yeah, ma'am. They should. They should.
Yes, that's a very good
Try to
feedback.
make sentence independently.
Absolutely. That's a very good feedback, Rakhi. So try making sentences, use that in your language. And if you want to note it down on a piece of paper, do that also. And send me a screenshot. I'll be really happy to see how you're making progress, how you're studying at home. And from the parents, when you send me the resume, right, I would like to see how much qualification have they done. If they haven't done anything, that's also fine. Because on the basis of that, I would be able to structure the course or the content, right? If we need to go really at the ground level or we can up the level, that ways I would know. Okay. So please do send me the qualifications or any certifications that they have done. Add that. All right. Looks like we are 1 minute over. I'll let you all go. Take a break before your next call, and I will see you next Thursday. Take care.
Yeah,
Have a
ma'am.
wonderful week.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
क्या करूँ?
Bye bye.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice
व्हाट्सएप में भेज दीजिएगा। तो 5 hours व्हाट्सएप में भेज दीजिएगा।
They
Parcel
want.
पे?
No. They want the vocabulary in WhatsApp.
Okay.
group.
Okay. Will do. Abhi, right away I'll do. Okay.
ma'am.
Please करो.
Cool. Thank you. Bye.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
You
Bye.
too.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day. And please don't call me ma'am. Please call me Sarika. Next time इस बारे में बात करेंगे. Call me
Okay.
Sarika.
Okay, I am Meena.
Hi Meena. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
और अब मैं आप लोगों को बता दूं कि आप लोग जैसे टाइम आपका 9 o'clock है तो आप 9 o'clock ही आएंगे, ठीक है? अब हर बार आपको रिमाइंडर नहीं दिया जाएगा, आपको सेम लिंक पता है, ठीक है? आपने रजिस्ट्रेशन कर रखा है, तो क्या होता है इससे आपको एक बार इंफॉर्मेशन मिल गया है तो आपको सिर्फ डे याद रखना है, टाइम याद रखना है और अपने आप उसको ज्वाइन करना है। खुशबू वीडियो ऑन करिए। वरना आप ये देखेंगे कि हमारा 10 to 15 मिनट्स सिर्फ आपको आने में ही लग जाता है। नेक्स्ट टाइम से आप 9 o'clock थर्सडे 9 o'clock ऑटोमेटिकली ही लिंक पे क्लिक कर लेंगे। ठीक है, क्लास ऑन रहता है, आपको सिर्फ लिंक पे क्लिक करना है, आप ऑलरेडी क्लास में आ जाइए। ओके साइबिल, अनिरुद्ध एंड खुशबू।
ओके 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 ओके
ओके चलिए क्लास लीव करते हैं अभी हम।
ओके ओके ओके